I've been ballin' since the 6th grade. Earrings was so big.
Couldn't even see my damn face. Did you get the mixtape? Ballin' no NBA. I be ballin'.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy FindingBallout, man. We back with another one. I know y'all like, damn, Ballout, where you been? Where our videos? What's been going on? Like, why you ain't been posting on the tube? I know, y'all. I know. I had a lot on my plate. You know, this summer I took 2 summer classes, 2 summer courses, 2 accounting classes. Y'all know people that taking accounting. Y'all know how, you know, rigorous accounting is. So I really had to lock in with that. That's where my whole summer went. You know, besides the trip to Mexico, I ain't even finished editing those videos. But the little Tulum trip, I ain't really had no summer for real. I really been locked in to passing on classes, which I did. You know, I passed some classes. You know, so I'm about to get back in the swing of posting. You know, cause it's only 4 months. 4 months left in 2023. So for the next 4 months, I'm gonna try to drop y'all a video every day. If not every day, hold on. If not every day, I'm gonna try to do every other day. If it's not a reaction or a story time or something, I just gotta get the content out there. Cause it's easy to make content. It's just when you fall stagnant, bro, it just makes it impossible to get back on, bro. But like even today, look, I'm doing better, y'all. Today I put out like a 2-hour stream. You know, I've been into the gaming. Me and my homies, we've been doing this gaming stuff since like high school. So it's like, we might as well monetize it. So we've been trying to go hard with the game and stuff. So I got a 2-hour Twitch stream in today. Like I'm back, baby. Like it's like if you really want to do something, I had to talk to myself. I was like, if you really want to do this content creation stuff, if you really want to do this YouTube stuff, lock in, bro. Like lock in. It's easy. You just gotta lock in. Like it's literally discipline. Like I went on a little 30-day run. I'm still going. Today is what's today's date? Today's the 19th, so I'm 19 days in. But you know, with this 19 days in, I just been working out like crazy. Cause I started out this Sunday. Y'all see a little. I'm your boy, kind of getting big, but just working out. You know, studying, making sure you learn something new every day. Like whether it's, I don't know, just the simplest things. Making sure you learn something new every day. I found some books that I've been tapping into. What else have I really been doing? I mean, that's really it, bro. And just, you know, vowing to myself to learn discipline. Like I swear, in this thing called life, if you learn discipline, it's so easy to blow. Like that's how you can become rich off just discipline. Literally, you can become a very wealthy man, a very successful man off just disciplining yourself. Because once you become disciplined, it makes it easier to get up and do something, opposed to you forcing yourself to do it. Because your body's disciplined to just get up and do it. You know, so I'm about to become more disciplined with dropping these videos for you guys, getting this content out. I mean, I feel like I look good, you know. I feel like I sound good where I can, you know, use my voice to make people listen. But yeah, man, life is getting better, bro. Life is getting amazing. That's what I'm saying. So let me lock in. It's like I have these talks to myself. You feel me? Like I'm like, Courtney, you got all the tools that people at the bottom just starting YouTube want. You got the $1,000 camera. That's why I look like y'all watching me in 3D. It's so clear. You feel me? Y'all, I got the MacBook. I got the PS5 for the game, and you know, like lock in, bro. Lock in. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. You know, I'm coming, baby. Like, you know, going into 2024. So right now, my aim is to get a better lens. You know, so instead of it being all zoomed in, you know, I can have like the different lenses, so it'll really be high definition. 2, getting a gaming PC, because I'm gonna lock into that, because I can edit off that. I can, you know, do the streams. I can play the game, all that. So that's all that in one. So that's another thing too. And, you know, just like I said, I've been bad into body. My body, I just spent hella money on creatine and, you know, protein powders, things of that nature. So I'm really focused on my craft, bro. I'm focused on my craft. I promise. I'm done neglecting you guys. I love you guys. I'm gonna start putting this content out, bro, because it's time, bro. We only getting older, bro. You feel me? You gonna look back and be like, damn, bro, I should just recorded that video every day. I should have just did. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna let myself get to that. I'm finna do it so that way when I can look back, I'm like, I really did that. I really did it, man. I really did it. But yeah, man, I ain't really got nothing, you know, else left to talk about, bro. I just want to let y'all know I love y'all. For my subscribers, I love y'all, bro, for, you know, for banning and, you know, actually taking the 2 seconds to subscribe, bro. I mean, I like that little gesture right there knows that You guys love me, and I love you guys, and I'm about to give you guys the content and the things to sit there and watch, man. And I really got nothing else, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.